Yes, a CVT, continuously variable transmission, can be rebuilt, but it's not as straightforward as traditional automatic or manual transmissions. Complexity of CVT transmissions are fundamentally different from other transmissions. They don't have fixed gears, but instead use a belt or chain that runs between two pulleys. This design offers a smooth and efficient driving experience, but also complicates the rebuilding process. Specialized knowledge and tools. Rebuilding a CVT requires specialized knowledge and tools. Most general mechanics might not have the expertise or equipment needed to handle these complex systems. Many parts within a CVT are designed to precision, and even a minor misalignment can lead to significant issues down the line. Cost considerations. Given the complexity, rebuilding a CVT can be quite expensive. Sometimes the cost of rebuilding might come close to or even exceed the price of a new or refurbished unit. It's essential to weigh these costs when making your decision. Labor costs can be particularly high because the process is labor-intensive and time-consuming. Manufacturer support. Some CVTs are designed by manufacturers like Nissan, Toyota, or Subaru, each having its own unique setup. Parts availability can also be an issue. Sometimes certain components may not be available separately and might only be obtainable from dealerships as part of larger assemblies. When to consider a rebuild. If you're experiencing issues like slipping, strange noises, or a loss of power, you might need to look into a rebuild. However, always get a detailed diagnosis from a trusted professional. Sometimes what seems like a transmission issue could be a simpler fix. Conclusion. To rebuild or replace. If you decide to rebuild, make sure you go to a shop that specializes in CVTs. It might save you money in the long run compared to going to a general mechanic who might not have the needed experience. In some cases, replacing the CVT with a new or factory remanufactured unit could be more cost-effective and provide a longer-lasting solution. Remember, the key is finding a reliable and experienced professional to diagnose and recommend the best course of action for your specific situation.